Sakti Balamurugan and Karupuswamy, Prabhu, Manimaran, Vinod Kumar, Deepak Sundar. Another group, Vignesh and Tangavelu. Another group, Deepak Sundar and Mahalingam. MCA program, Harigara Sudan, Gaudam, Archana, Yuvaraj, Suresh, Arun Kumar and Shabir, again another Arun Kumar and Pavitra. Now there is a special program. You all know that this year we have introduced 14 points parameters. Students can earn points and show their intelligence and come to know where they are in terms of the other students. Now we have evaluated all the students and finally we selected one student in each year who have got maximum number of points. This is only an awareness program. This year we have created, probably next year there will be many challenges and many people will be competing. They come to know what is this 14 point all about and they will try to perform as much as possible and earn points and come to know where they stand among all the students. Now, to encourage our students, in the first year, Mr. Praveen Kumar has got 112 points maximum. He is from mechatronics. In second year, it is Karthik, EC department. He got 478 points. Among third years, again, an EC student, Mr. Dinesh, who got 794 points. Among fourth year students in CSE, Bharati Greek got maximum number of points, 278. Congratulations to all these students who can be called as toppers in their respective years. You all know that we are giving mementos to the final-year students who are leaving our institutions. There are names left out. I'll read out from branch-wise. Please come and receive the memento. In biotechnology, Sandanu Sasidharan. Please come, run. Then fashion technology, it is Kirtana and Rajalakshmi. Then in ME program, engineering design, Vignesh and Nitish Kumar. CAD-CAM, ME program, Sivachidambaram, Rajalingam. In power electronics and drives, ME program, Sumi, Nitya. ME applied electronics, it is Priya and Divya. In communication systems, Saubhagyam, Nitya Priya. In software engineering, ME program, Gaudami and Shilpa. In biotechnology, Ashmita Datta. Next, computer applications, Gautam, Kartika, Ramya, Sangeeta, Vaidegi Sri, Satya, MSc Software Engineering, last batch of the institution, Sabarish, Surya and Vinayak. Congratulations to all the prize winners. Thank you.
The achievers of BIT in the Student Performance Indicator category are here to share their experiences. We call upon Bharati Giri of final year BE Computer Science and Engineering.
Good evening, everyone. Honorable Chief Guest, our Chairman, I first greet them. 14-point indicators like we have many ambitions, we have many destinations, and we keep it wavering in our mind. And they are the path, they are the route we can stick with on, and like a ladder we can climb on it. It could process, analyze, and overall it can evaluate a person's capability around the 360 degree. So a student could be perfectly balanced and weight on it. So you just, if you see the categories of it, you could know how you can stick on, how you can motivate and improve yourself. Not alone academics is given importance, but also sports, your way of behaving, overall discipline, qualities, everything can be encouraged. And people can easily get adhered to that. And I just waited for this opportunity so that I could thank some people of our college. First, head of the department, Dr. P. Thangaraj sir. Without him, seriously, I couldn't be here. My department was like my home, really. It was like my home. Everyone, I was very comfortable with everyone there. And my guide, Dr. N.M. Saravanakumar, he was the one who made me, I really did an international conference, have attended a course of FPGA prototyping in IIT Kharagpur. Only 14 from India were selected for that. And my guide was the one who called me and told there is a course like this, apply, attend the test, go on. And he was the one who motivated me. So I thank everyone, each and everyone, my friends, everyone is responsible for this. I thank and stick on to 14-point indicators. You can really achieve to great heights. Thank you.
Thank you. Now we have Mr. Dinesh T of third year B Electronics and Communication Engineering to share a few words.
Respected dignitaries and my dear friends, good evening to all. First, to introduce myself, I am Dinesh, currently doing my third year, and I have just secured 795 marks and 14 points indicator. And this 14 points indicator was very useful to me, and it motivated me not only to concentrate in studies but also in sports. And first, I wish to dedicate this award to my mom, my class advisors, and the head of the department, our department, who had been keep on encouraging me to achieve this award. And this 14 points indicator will definitely be a inspiring and motivation to all the forthcoming students. And thank you.
Thank you. Next is Mr. Karthik R of second year BE Electronics and Communication Engineering.
சார் எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். என் பேர் கார்த்திக், நான் செகண்ட் இயர் இசி படிக்கிறேன். 14 பாயிண்ட் இண்டிகேட்டர் வந்து எங்களை எந்த லெவலில் வந்து கம்மியாக இருக்கிறோமோ அதை வந்து என்கரேஜ் பண்ணி அதிக பாயிண்ட் ஸ்கோர் பண்ண வந்துச்சு. எனக்கு வந்து பேப்பர் ப்ரெசன்டேஷனில் அதிக பாயிண்ட் கிடச்சிருக்கு. 478 பாயிண்ட் டோட்டல் பாயிண்ட் வந்திருக்கு சார். அதில் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா டோட்டலாக அதில் ஓவராலாக பார்க்கும்போது எதில் வந்து பாயிண்ட் கம்மியாக இருக்கோ அதை வந்து நம்ம வந்து என்கரேஜ் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இது வந்து பெஸ்ட்டாக இருக்குது சார். தேங்க்ஸ் சார். இந்த வாய்ப்பை கொடுத்ததுக்கு சேர்மன் சாருக்கு ரொம்ப தேங்க்யூ.
You know about our chairman's generosity. He was so restless that how can we not announce a cash award to these four awardees. So chairman is announcing a cash award of 2,000 each to one of them. Thanks.
Hi friends, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். இங்கே அச்சீவர் அவார்டு எனக்கு கிடைக்குன்னு எனக்கு நேற்று தான் தெரியும். ஃபஸ்ட்டு இதை முக்கியம் 14 பாயிண்ட் கிளாஸில் எழுதி கொடுக்குறப்ப நிறையா பேர் திட்டிக்கிட்டு இருந்தாங்க, இவனுக்கு எப்படி இந்த ப்ரைஸ் கிடச்சிச்சு, இவன் எப்படி இவ்வளோ பாயிண்ட் எடுத்தான் தான் நிறையா பேர் யோசிச்சுட்டு இருந்தாங்க. சரி வந்தாங்க, சர்டிஃபிகேட்டை கொடுத்தேன். சர்டிஃபிகேட்டோட வெளியே அனுப்பிடுவாங்கன்னு நினச்சோம். பரவாயில்ல, சேர்மன் சார் 2000 ரூபா கொடுத்துட்டாரு. சரி, ஃபஸ்ட் இயர் 114 பாயிண்ட் எடுத்துட்டோம், நல்ல பாயிண்ட்டு, பெரிய மார்க்குன்னு நினச்சிக்கிட்டு இருந்தேன். அடுத்து 2 செகண்ட் இயர் தேர்ட் இயர் வந்தாங்க. நான் 799 715ங்கிறாங்க. அதுக்கு எவ்வளவோ இன்னும் போக வேண்டியது இருக்குது. சரி, நான் இதை பெருசாக நினச்சிக்கப்போ என் ஃப்ரெண்ட் இன்னொன்று சொன்னான், எப்படா இவ்வளோ எடுத்தேன், நான் 10 மார்க் தான்டா எடுத்திருக்கேங்கிறான். இன்னொருத்த 14 பாயிண்ட் இன்னைக்கு நான் 14 மார்க் எடுத்துட்டேன்டா, நான் தானே நல்ல மார்க் எடுத்திருக்கேங்கிறான். என் ஃப்ரெண்ட் இன்னொருத்தன் கூட வந்தான், அவனுக்கும் ப்ரைஸ் கொடுக்குறேன், நாங்கள் 1000 ரூபா எங்கே உட்காந்துருக்கேன், இன்னும் வாங்கவே இல்லைவன். என்னாச்சும் இல்லை, கேஷ் மிஸ் ஆயிடுச்சுன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். 14 பாயிண்ட் இண்டிகேட்டர் படிப்பு தான் எல்லாம் இங்கே நினச்சிக்கிட்டு இருக்காங்க. அது ஒரு நிறையா ஸ்கூலில் அப்படி சொல்லி வளர்த்துட்டாங்கன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். படிப்பு தான் எல்லாம், படிப்பு அதுக்கும் மேலே நிறைய விஷயம் இருக்குது. ஒருத்தன் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸில், எங்கள் பிடி சார் சொல்லுவார் எப்பயும், ஒருத்தர் ஸ்போர்ட்ஸில் இருந்தால் அவன் எல்லா விஷயத்தையும் அவன் தானாகவே அவனுக்குள்ளே ஏற்றிக்கலாம். ஒருத்தர் எப்போ நேர்மை தவறி போகிறோம்னா அவன் ஒரு விஷயத்தில் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் பண்ண முடியலை, அவனுக்கு உலகத்தை ரொம்ப சுத்த பார்க்குறான்னா அப்போ தான் உனக்கு நேர்மை தவறி போகிறாரு. ஸ்போர்ட்ஸில் உனக்கு நீ ரொம்ப இருக்க உனக்கு கான்சன்ட்ரேஷன் ஒரு விஷயத்தில் கான்சன்ட்ரேட் ஆகும். அப்போ உனக்கு எல்லா உலகமும் ஒன்றாகும். அப்போ நீ எல்லா இடத்துலையும் ஈஸியாக ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணலாம். அவ்வளோதான் சொல்லுங்கள். படிப்போட ஸ்போர்ட்ஸில் தான் எனக்கு மார்க் நிறைய வந்துச்சு. தேங்க்யூ.
Thank you. We now request some of our awardees to voice their opinion about their 4 years of stay in this campus.
A very good evening to the dignitaries on the stage, head of various departments, members of faculty and student friends. I'm BL Nandini Meenal from final year E&I. On behalf of my department, I'm very happy to stand in front of you to share my feedback about my 4-year journey in this college. First of all, I would like to thank the management for supporting and encouraging internship programs, student internship programs, because we could learn there out of the academics. Because of them, because of our management, I got an opportunity to do internship in Titan Company Limited, Chennai for 3 months. It was a very great exposure I had. I got to know about many people, many researchers, and I learned about many advanced technologies and research fields. Even I got acquainted with students of IIT and Anna University, and it was a very great experience. So I request the management to go on supporting such internship programs for the forthcoming years also. And the other thing which I'm very happy to say here is our department, that is Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, has achieved 100% placement for the past 5 years. We are very happy for it. And more than 40% of the students have got placed in core industries. That's a very, very happy point which I have to mention here. Because we, as electronic and instrumentation engineering students, we are more interested to do core jobs. And in this way, our department head and placement coordinators have helped us a lot. And even our seniors, 14 of them has got job in overseas in core industries. I'm very happy about it. And a very privileged thing which I have to say, even it was honored in this stage, there is nothing but scientific learning skill program. We got an opportunity to train our juniors, and 10 of our classmates have indulged and involved in such a program. And through this program, we got to interact with many junior students, and we tried to motivate them, bring up confidence in them, and we have, at the most, we have eliminated stage fear, and we have got them ready for placements. We shared our placement experience with them. We trained them for resume preparation, group discussions, and interview preparations also. So I would like to thank the management for supporting us in this regard. And the one thing which I felt very prestigious and valuable to be in this institute is our learning center, which encouraged us and which was a root cause for all our success we had. Thank you. I thank the chairman and the management for establishing such a learning center. And the lab facilities are excellent and tremendous, especially the process control lab of our department. The strength of our department lies there. Only because of that, we could achieve 40% core placements, and we were allowed to use the labs even after the class hours, and that was very helpful. And likewise, I could add up many specialties of BIT, and these 4 years were a very great part of my life. And I would like to thank each and everyone for supporting us. But the one thing is that we are gonna get separated from this institute in more 8 days more. But I'm sure that the acquaintances and the friendship we earned here has a lifetime validity. And I take this opportunity to thank the chairman, the director, the principal, the chief guest, and all the staff members and head of the departments and student friends. And thanks for the opportunity. Thank you.
Respected dignitaries on and off the dais, faculty members, heads of various departments, and my student friends, good evening to one and all present here. It's a wonderful gesture to be here. First and foremost, I want to use this opportunity to thank our management for providing us such an amazing infrastructure and an excellent learning platform for all the students over here. Thank you, sir. And the various creative learning methodologies are given to us in all those 4 years. This greatly helped us in the preparation of various competitive exams like GATE and TANCET examinations with perfect understanding and without any difficulties. As our friends told, we also have a 14-point indicator system which helps in analyzing and weighing a student's capability in all-round 360-degree manner. So if I have started working towards it, and automatically the weightage of my resume increased. We also had a perfect balance between our co-curricular, academics, and extracurricular activities. Our management also gives us students for developing in a 360-degree in all academic activities and leadership qualities, and one among them is Futura, a national-level technical extravaganza where the lead are the students. I congratulate and give a hearty thanks to our management for providing us this wonderful opportunity here. And whenever the placement comes, we final years don't fear at all. Right from the first years, we are all groomed very well, and my hearty thanks to our placement and training, and of course from the English department. It's going to be very difficult to leave our college life. Banariamman Institute will be dearly missed, but we can proudly say that we'll become the proud alumni of our institute. Let us all spend our time in focusing on the opportunities of tomorrow rather than solving on the problems of yesterday. Once again, I thank our management for this wonderful opportunities for us. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Respected dignitaries and my dear friends and faculties. Myself is Inzamam from final year mechanical. We are warm waiting to all. Feel very pleased to share few words about the support and encouragement what we have got from our college and management for endure our projects. Project is the most important thing in a student's career. A good project takes us to a greater height. BIT, being a great supporter of this, has given a lot of opportunities to take up a project and proceed to a greater height. And Futura is a great platform where every student got an opportunity to make a project, to make up the ideas there. Only so we all did the project, right? Then I feel proud to be a team fish where we had an opportunity to present our project there in Futura, and we have more exposure there due to the projects. And as a squad, we have got good support from management. We will be able to present their IITs, CA Bengaluru, and many laurels from around the nation. And nowadays, engineering has become an expensive dream for youngsters, but BIT made us very simple by giving various scholarships like Friend for Friendless, Fair Weaver, and many scholarships like that. And finally, I like to thank my management and my faculties, my HODs, and everyone who give this opportunity. Thank you, sir.
Very good evening to one and all present here. I am Priyanka, doing my final year ECE, and we final years feel an immense pleasure to be in this institute for the past 4 years. And Banaraman Institute of Technology is the green blanket of Satyamangalam, the best ever student-friendly environment you can witness in and around Tamil Nadu is none other than our BIT campus. There are tremendous facilities available in our institute. That is, we have several lab facilities and research facilities available in our institution. I would like to start with my department lab facilities. We have liquid crystal display laboratories, which possess a state-of-art in latest and challenging field of liquid crystals. We do research programs and we do funded projects in our liquid crystal display laboratories. And also we have a free-scale embedded system laboratory, which is partnership with free-scale processors. They produce different type of processors in free-scale. Our BIT students have won 2 lakh prize in the year 2013 to 2014, and they have competed in China. And now at present, the students has won 2 lakhs first prize, and now they are going to Germany for the next level. In addition, we have a laboratory of Venom, peptidomes, and molecular simulation, which is nested in biotechnology. They take the peptides from venoms and process it for medicinal values. And also we have Sun Microsystem, which is partnership with BIT, and we have a Sun Center in Computer Science Engineering Department. Cisco Lab and FOSS Lab also is nested with Computer Science Engineering Laboratory. Mechanical students enhance their knowledge by working with different labs like CAD, CAM, and metrology, basic workshop labs. So they enhance their knowledge using these laboratories. So there is a proverb called, there are 2 education, one that teaches how to make a living and the other how to live. In the same way, encouraging students to bring out their ideas in the form of engineering projects becomes a sole part of our education. So this motto is carried out in BIT for the past several years and will be continued in the forthcoming years also. So it is in the name of great educational extravagance called Futura, a national level technical symposium, as our friends told before. There are several events conducted in the Futura. The most important event in Futura is nothing but project design contest. So by using the above mentioned facilities, we do several projects and expose our talents in Futura. Our management is supporting us by giving a prize award of 1,50,000, 25,000, and with consolation prize of 5,000 for 3 participants. So I would like to thank our management for encouraging us to expose our talents using Futura. So here I stand. I was molded by the environment who are sitting here watching me. I am now supposed to say farewell to this institution, those who maintain it and those who stand with me and behind me. But I hope This farewell is more of see you later when we are all moving to work with some advanced moment. I'll be waiting for this moment, and I would like to thank our management, our beloved chairman, trustee, principal, and chief executive, and heads of our department, and all our faculty members. At last, I would like to thank my HOD, Dr. S. Valarmati, for her constant encouragement. Thank you, ma'am. And I thank our management also. Thank you, sir.
Good evening to one and all present here. I'm Priyanka from EEE Department. First of all, I would like to thank our management for giving me this opportunity to tell our feedback about the extracurricular activities that are present in our college premises. Our management has provided a unique atmosphere for physical education, which includes separate ground for cricket, football, hockey, ball badminton, kabaddi, handball, athletics and volleyball, which none other management would even think of it. We have separate acrylic courts for tennis and basketball for both men and women. Under certain contests, our management also encourages students to gain knowledge about our culture and tradition and also helps us to endure in it. One of which includes yoga, one of the oldest and powerful tool to attain a goal by controlling our mind and body. Training on yoga is offered to the students in the yoga center and inculcated in the regular timetable for all the first year students. The next is South India's most favorite martial art, Silambam, which is being practiced in our college premises. Our college also encourages students to take part in karate and fencing, which improves our confidence, fitness, and the ability to defend ourselves. I also suggest if students are given with extra time to practice their respective game, they would make BIT more prouder. I passionately congratulate all the sporting stars who brought honors to BIT and wish all the eminent sports person to do the same, even more higher. I also thank every one of you gathered here for this inspiring event. Thank you.
Thank you, everyone. We now request our beloved director to present a shawl in the memory.
We now request Ms. S. Bharati of final year BE Computer Science and Engineering to propose the vote of thanks.
A very good evening to one and all present here. Gratitude is the attitude that takes us to the altitude. It's my great honor and privilege to present the vote of thanks in front of you. I express my sincere gratitude to our esteemed chief guest of the day, Thiru K. Raghunandanan, General Manager, General Management, Larsen and Tubro Limited, Coimbatore, for having graced the occasion and for his words of wisdom. Thank you, sir. And I am also extremely grateful to our distinguished chief guest of honor, Ms. Sonia Nagpal, Recruitment Delivery Lead, Accenture, Bangalore, for being kind enough to accept our invitation and shared her valuable experience with us. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my hearty thanks to Ms. Soumya Prakash, eCampus Recruitment, Accenture, Bangalore, for coming all the way from Bangalore and grace the occasion. Thank you, ma'am. And Dr. Ramani, Shankara Eye Hospital, Coimbatore, for being part with us. Thank you, sir. And I take this opportunity to record my sincere gratitude to our revered chairman, Thiru S.V. Balasubramaniam, who have been a backbone for all our ventures. Thank you, sir. I extend my hearty thanks to our respected director, Dr. M.P. Vijay Kumar, IAS, who has been a beacon of light and guiding us in all our occasions. Thank you, sir. And I am extremely thankful to the beloved Chief Executive, Dr. A.M. Nadarajan, and respected Principal, Dr. D. Saravanan, for their motivation and support in organizing this event. Thank you, sir, for the few. I would like to thank the heads of all departments and members of faculty who mold us in the right direction to reach our destination. I am also thankful to the friends from media who disseminate our achievements to far and near, and to the dear ones. And coming to farewell, I remember a quote said by John Steinbeck: "Farewell has a sweet sound of reluctance. Goodbye is short and final, a word with teeth sharp to bite through the string that ties past to the future. I am grateful to my beloved fellow students without whom the day would have been meaningless. It was not a one-man show, but it was a collective effort from all of us. So finally, I thank each and everyone who contributed to the overwhelming success of this program. Thank you all once again.
Patriotism is through the national anthem. May we all rise for the national anthem?
जनगणमनाधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलति तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जाहे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे